How we doing, everyone? We are back again this time. 2 tickets here. We got 2 of the $20 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. We spent a total of $40 today. These tickets here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Today, we have tickets 13 and 14. We're going to get started with ticket 13 here and work our way up. We are looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. This is ticket 13 here. We're looking for 22, 17, 1, 14, 8, 42, 3. Start out with a 13, 45, 27, 34, 29, 25, 41, 33, 39, 16, 47, 7, 11, 46, 31. Alright, we got 2 rows left. Can we get something? 10, 12, 38, 43, 49. Last row. 23, 9, 15, 24, and in the corner, 6. Alright guys, so that was ticket 13 there. It appears that one is going to be a loser. We will set that to the side. Move on to ticket 14 here. Hopefully we can get a win on the last ticket, ticket 14. We're looking for 5, 13, 38, 47, 24, 32, and 41. Start out with a 13. We are starting it out with a win. All right, come on. Let's see. Can we get anything else to go along with the 13? 12, 18, 42, 10, 31, 23. Boom! We got the 20x. All right, guys. Hopefully, this is something good here. We got that 20x and that 13 there. Can we get something else? 25, 16, 19, 1, 45, 24. And we get another match on 24 here. All right, so we got 2 number matches and that 20x symbol. 14. 2 rows left. We got another 13 here. All right, guys, this is looking good. We got 3 number matches, 20x symbol, 46, 35, 39, 15. No. 36, 30. It's my lucky 44, not today. 33, and in the corner, we got 49. Alright guys, so we got 3 matches. Let's go ahead and reveal what's under that 20x symbol there. Come on, something big here. $2. We will take it. We got 40 bucks right there. Alright, we got our money back for the session. Let's see. Anything else is profit. Boom! $30 there. 10 there. And 13. 20 there. Alright guys, boom. We got a hundo. Spent a total of $40 today and are walking away with 100. As always, guys, if you would help the channel out, give this one a thumbs up. If you haven't before, hit that subscribe button.